In this video, I will show you how to download Fortnite on iOS. So let's jump straight into it. So if you have been looking for a way to play Fortnite on like your iPhone or iPad, and wondering if this is something that is possible to do, I can tell you that yes, this is absolutely possible to do. Now, you might have noticed if you have been searching for Fortnite in the App Store, so for example, if we go ahead and search for Fortnite, you'll notice that Fortnite is not currently shown in the App Store. However, there is still something we can do to play Fortnite on our iOS device. So to do that, what you're going to want to do is open up a new browser, so I would recommend using Safari. And what you want to do is come across to xbox.com/play. Now, this is completely free to do, you don't have to pay anything to do this, but if you come across this website, and what you want to do is search for Fortnite on here. So we're going to use the search box, go ahead and type Fortnite, and you should see this come up just like so. So you want to press onto this, and what's going to happen is going to take you to the game screen, and you're going to see a green box which says get ready to play. So if you actually press onto this window, you're going to get a pop-up message saying to add to home screen. Now to do this, if you come down to your toolbar at the bottom, in the middle, you're going to see this little square icon with a arrow pointing up. If you give this a press, and from here what you want to do is just scroll up slightly, and you're going to see an option to add to home screen. So you just want to go ahead and press onto this. Then what you can do is give this a name. I'm going to leave this as Cloud Gaming, and then press add in the top right hand corner. So once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to take us to our home screen, and you can see we've got the Xbox icon shown here. What we need to do now is open this up. You're going to see it's going to launch the Cloud Gaming app. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and search for Fortnite again. Now at this point, you'll notice that the green box is now saying sign in. So what you want to do is sign in with your Xbox account, or if you have like a Microsoft or Outlook account, you can use that as well. If you don't, on this screen, you can see there's a link here which says create one. So you can go ahead and create one, and then go ahead and log into your account. So once you've gone ahead and signed in, what it's going to do is just going to load through just like so. And what it's going to do now, it's going to take you back to this screen. As you can see, the green button now says play. So if we actually go ahead and press play, what it's going to do is actually go ahead and launch Fortnite on our device. So this works on all iOS devices, whether that's like an iPhone or an iPad. You want to make sure you have a pretty good internet connection to do this, because it is a cloud-based gaming service. So of course it does depend on your internet connection. So you want to make sure you've got a good, strong, stable connection. But as you can see, Fortnite's just loading through now, and what I'm going to do is just turn my phone so we get the bigger screen. As you can see, it's currently connecting, so it's just going to take a minute to connect. And here we are in the game. So it's touchscreen compatible, so you can use a touchscreen, or if you do have a controller, you can of course connect a controller via Bluetooth. And here we are, as you can see, on Fortnite. So basically you're going to be taken to the lobby. You can see it's working absolutely fine. We can jump into Battle Royale. Then we can just press the play button to start our game of Fortnite, just like so. It's going to start matchmaking and put us into a game. So that's how to download Fortnite on your iOS device. As mentioned, this does work on anything like an iPad or an iPhone, so it's up to you whichever device you want to use this on. But with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.